Dear students, this is the fifth video of the chapter Relation and Function. Now we have come across with the composition of the function in two problems of the last video. Now in detail, let us define what is the composition of functions. So let us define here. Let f a to b and g b to c be two functions. Then their composition that is G composition F from A to C is given by G composition F of x is equal to G of it is F of x for every x belongs to it is A. That is the meaning of the composition of function. Sometimes we also say it as the product of the function. So G composition F. Similarly, we can define F composition G also. That is F composition G of x is equal to F of it is G of x. That is this is the composition of the definition of the composition of two functions. Now let us solve problem based on this composition of functions. Look here. F from the set 2, 3, 4, 5 to the set 3, 4, 5, 9. F is a function from this set to another set, and G is also a function. It is from the set 3, 4, 5, 9 to it is 7, 11, 15. This is the function defined by F and G. Defined as it is F of 2 is equal to 3, F of 3 is equal to 4, F of 4 is equal to, F of 5 is equal to, it is 5. Similarly, we have it is and G of 3 is equal to 7 and G of 5 is equal to G of 9 is equal to 11. Find G composition F. Find G composition F. Look here how to find out. We start with the first element G. It is G composition F of it is 2 we take. By the definition it will be F of 2. Now after the value of F of 2 is equal to, here it is 3, that is equal to G of 3. Because F of 2 is given by 3 here, we substitute this value. Now we see the image of 3 in G. Image of 3 in G is, it is 7. See here. So we can similarly let us find out G composition F of it is 3. G of F of 3. Now get the value of 3, F of 3, it is this G of 4. The value of G of 4 is given by it is 7. And here then we have G of F of 4 that is g of it is f of 4. F of 4 is given by it is 5, that is g of 5. G of 5 is given by it is 11. And now let us find out g of f of it is 5, that is g of f of it is 5. Get the value of f of 5 from this. F of 5 is given by it is 5, and g of 5 is again it is 11. So now we can see here, therefore g composition f is given by the image of 2 under g composition f is 7. The image of 3 under g composition f is it is 7. Similarly, we have image of 4 is 11 and image of 5 is also 11. This is the g composition f of this one. Next problem. See here. FR to R and GR to R are given by fx is equal to cos x and gx is equal to it is gx is equal to 3x square. Show that g composition f is not equal to f composition g. Let us find out both g composition f and f composition g. See carefully and try to understand, please. First, let us find out g composition f of it is x. By the definition, it is nothing but g of f of x. G of f of x means find out the value of f of x. F of x is given by it is cos x. Now think that here, while applying this function g, cos x should be treated as constant. If you apply cos x, yes, it is in place of x here. We have to apply g on that. So what is that given by 3? Our x is what? Cos x. Square, then square should be 3 cos square x. That is the method. First we substituted the value of f of x here, and while applying the second function g on that, we should treat this as x, and whatever the value of wherever x is there, we have to put cos x. So 3x square, 3x square. That is the meaning here. Similarly, let us calculate f composition g of it is x. F of g of x. F of g of x is given by f of it is. What is the value of g of x? It is 3x square. Now we have to apply f on 3x square, and while applying, this entire quantity should be treated as x here. So x means here, if it is x, we have to apply cos to that. Here it is x means apply cos to that. 3x square. See this. That is the meaning. And clearly, you can see that they are not equal. Clearly, g composition f is not equal to f composition g. That is the method to apply the this composition of the function. Next problem. Another type of problem for this. So here it is find g composition f and f composition g if it is number 1 fx is equal to mod x and gx is equal to gx is equal to mod of it is 5x minus 2. 5x minus it is 2. Let us find out first. G composition f of x. G of f of x. What is the value of g of x? It is given by mod of x. Now, while applying this function, we should treat it as x. This mod x is treated as x. So here, to apply g on that, here mod of it is 5 into our x is mod x minus 2 under mod. This is g of mod of x. Now, f composition g of x. See here, that is f of g of x. F of g of x is given by mod of it is 5x minus 2. Now, while applying f on that, we should treat it as x. If x is there, we have to take mod of that. If this much quantity is there, we have to mod of this quantity. See, that is the meaning. So this is the meaning of this here. Similarly, a similar problem let us solve. Here it is. Second one. Fx is given by 8x cube and gx is given by it is x raised to 1 by 3. Here also we have to find out g composition f and f composition g. Look here, it is first one, g composition f of x, g of f of x. Now f of x is given by here what it is, 8x cube. Here, now to apply this function, it should be treated as x. If x is there, then it should be taken this quantity raised to 1 by 3. That means here 8x cube raised to it is 1 by 3. You know 8 means 2 cube and x cube is already there. If you take 2 cube, 3 cancel with 3, you get 2 here. This x cancel with the 3, that is 2x is the value of g composition, it is f. Similarly, f composition g of x, f of it is g of x, f of g of x, that is given by what it is, x raised to 1 by 3. This is where g of x is given x raised to. Now we have to apply f for that. To apply f for this, see here, it is whatever quantity is there, we should it is, whatever x is there, we have to take 8 into it is, x raised to it is, x raised to cube, raised to 1 by 3. Sorry, x raised to it is, raised to cube. This is x, 8x cube. Now 3 get cancelled, its answer is 8x. So these are the problems. Next problem. If f r to r is given by fx is equal to it is 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3. Find f composition f of x. F composition f of x. Now see here, f composition f of x we have to find out. By the definition, it is f of x. F of x is given by it is, this is 3 minus x cube raised to it is 1 by 3 is the value of f of x given by this. Now to again apply f on this, we should treat this entire quantity of x. So we should write this quantity in place of x only, and that means here it is 3 minus it is x. X means this. That is 3 minus x cube. It is raised to 1 by 3. X cube is there, it should be cube. It should be cube here. Look here how we are writing. It is, now this is raised to, it is 1 by 3 is there. 1 by 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3. That is the application of f of x. 3, look here, 3 minus x cube. Our x is this much. Cube is there, cube we have taken. And raised to 1 by 3 is there, 3. Now the 3 cancel with this 3. What we get is here 3 minus x, it is whole raised to, it is 1 by 3. Now we can write 3 minus 3 plus x cube raised to, it is 1 by 3 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. You can see this 3 cancel. The answer is, it is x. That is f composition f of x is equal to x. Many times he has asked this problem in the examination. Problem, it is, if fx is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, where x is not equal to 2 by 3. Find f composition f of x. So here, now f composition f of x is given by f of x. So f of x is given by 6, it is 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. We have to apply f on that. While applying f on that, this entire should be treated as x here. Then look here, 4x, look here, 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3 divided by 6x, x means again 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, it is minus 3, 4 is there. Now let us take LCM in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So here 6x minus 4 is LCM, multiply here 16x plus it is 12 plus if it is multiplied take an LCM 18x minus 12 divided by, here also we take LCM 6x minus 4, 24x plus 18 minus 24x minus of minus plus it is 60. Now this cancel with this, and here you see here it if you simplify you get it is, this is equal to here 16x plus 18x, it is 12 cancel with minus 12. Here 24x minus 24 get cancelled, it is 34, that is equal to x is the value of f composition f of x. Now with this we define an important property of the function, that is invertible function. What are the invertible function? Invertible function. A function f a to b is called invertible. Is called invertible. Invertible if there exists a function G from B to A. Look here. The given function is from set A to set B. The function which we are defining is from B to A, such that it is G composition f of x is equal to identity function. It is f composition G of it is x is equal to I of it is B. So that is the definition of the inverse function. Then function is called invertible and G is called inverse of it. Inverse of A. One thing we remember that a function will be invertible if and only if it is both 1, 1 and onto. If it is not 1, 1 and onto, it is not invertible. So let us write down in one sentence. A function is invertible if and only if it is both 1, 1 and onto. So now whenever we have to prove that function is invertible or not, first we can apply the definition and prove that G composition F is the identity mapping I. Similarly, F composition G is equal to the identity mapping I. Then automatically it is invertible. There is one more method to prove the invertible function is that you have to prove that according to this definition, we have to prove that whatever the function is given, it is both 1, 1 and onto, then we have to go for the inverse of that. So we adopt the first definition method. Now let us solve some problem, because in the examination we have normally a question of 5 marks will be asked in the invertible function. So let us solve, try to understand clearly please. Now let us solve some problems which carry 5 marks in the examination. Let f n to y be a function defined as fx is equal to 4x plus 3, where y is equal to y belongs to n and y is equal to 4x plus 3 for some x belongs to n. That f is invertible. Find f inverse. Now how to solve this problem? Try to understand it carefully please. First let us suppose let fx is equal to y. Then here fx is given by 4x plus 3 is equal to it is y, or 4x is equal to y minus 3. X is equal to y minus 3 by 4. This is the value of this x here. The image of this quantity is y here. Now with what we suppose, we define, after finding out that, define G. This was, f was from n to y. G must be from y to n by, define this by, it is gx is equal to it is x minus 3 by it is 4. That is the function gf. Now we have to prove that it is consider G composition f of x, that is equal to here G of f of x, that is equal to G of f of x is given by it is 4x plus 3. Now we have to apply G function on that. G is given by it is x minus 3 by 4. Our x is this 4x plus 3. So in place of x we have to write 4x plus 3 minus 3 by 4. See here, x minus 3 by 4. X minus 3 by 4. Now plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. X 4 cancel with 4. Therefore, G composition f of x is equal to you get x. That is nothing but the identity mapping of it is n here. This is the first condition true. Now we have to prove that f composition G. F composition G, it is f composition G of x is nothing but f of it is G of x. That is f of G of x is given by it is x minus 3 by 4. Substitute the value of G of x here. Now apply f on that. F is given by 4x plus 3. So we write that is 4x. Our x is x minus 3 by 4. 4x plus 3. See here. Application of f. 4x plus 3. 4 cancel with 4. Then 3 cancel with 3. Here you see this is nothing but it is the identity mapping. It is f of it is y. Therefore, G composition f is equal to f composition G is equal to I. Therefore, f is invertible. F is invertible and inverse of f is given by G. That completes the solution of this problem. Next problem. Y is equal to, it is n square such that n belongs to n is a subset of n. Subset of n. Consider f n to y as f of n is equal to n square. N square. Show that f is invertible. Show that f is invertible. Find the inverse of f. Find the inverse of f here. Now, let us prove first here. That's it. Look here. Let fx is equal to y. Then fx is given by n square is equal to y. N is equal to plus or minus under root y. So now we define G function. It is f are from n to y, G should be from y to it is n by it is f of n is equal to under root it is n. We define like this. So now we have to prove, consider it is G composition f of x. G of f of x. F of x is given by it is y. F of x is given by it is n square. Now we have to apply G on that. G is given by it is Under root it is n square. That is nothing but it is n, which is nothing but it is I. Identity mapping denoted by it is I. Similarly, here it is f composition g of x. That is f of g of x. That is equal to f of g of x is given by it is. Apply f on that, we have to take the square of that. That is root of n, it is whole square. That is equal to n. Again, it is also identity mapping of it is f. So that is here. Therefore, we can write f composition g is equal to g composition f. Each is identity mapping. Therefore, by the definition, f is invertible. F is invertible, and inverse of f is given by g just now, which we have defined here. F n to r. Let f n to r be a function fx is equal to, it is 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Show that f n to s, where s is range of f. Range of f is invertible. Find f inverse. Find f inverse. Now please carefully try to understand this problem, because here it is a quadratic function is there. Let us suppose, let fx is equal to it is y. Fx is given by 4x square plus 12x plus 15 is equal to it is y. Now, here by this quadratic function, we have to get the value of x. For this, the method is like this. If something is the coefficient of square degree term, take it out. X square 4 by 3. 12 by 4, that is 3x, plus 15 by 4 is equal to it is y. Take 4 to that side. And here we try to make a perfect square. To make a perfect square, method is like this. Divide the coefficient of first degree term by 2 and take the square of that. So here coefficient of first degree term is 3. If you divide 3 by 2, you get 3 by 2. Square of 3 by 2 is 9 by 4. So we add 9 by 4 on third place and subtract on the last place. Look here how we have done. Here we have taken the first degree coefficient of first degree term by 2, divided by 2 and take the square of that. It is 3 by square of 3 by 2 is 9 by 4. Write on the third place, subtract on the last place. First 3 terms give always perfect square. Root of first, sine of second, root of third, it is whole square. And that is equal to, here it is y by 4. Now if you take LCM, 4 is LCM. Four by 4 is equal to y by 4. It will be 6 by 4, right? Therefore, x plus 3 by 2 square is equal to y by 4 minus it is 6 by 4. By simplifying this, x is equal to it is y minus 6 by 4 minus 3 by 2. So here it is, it will be under root it is this. Therefore, we can write this as x is equal to it is under root x minus 4 by 2 minus it is 3 by 2. We take LCM, x is equal to root of x minus 6 minus 3 divided by it is 2. Now we define g here. Define g. Define g by it is g from the function n to s, s to n by it is gx is equal to it is root of x minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Now what we have to do is, first let us find out the g composition f of x. G of it is f of x. F of x is given by it is the given, that is 4x square plus 12x plus 15. This is totally in place of x we have. We have to apply g for that. So g means here it is totally x here. Under root 4x square plus 12x minus 15 in place of x minus 6. Outside the root it will be 3 divided by 2 here. So this will be here. You can see it is 4x square plus 12x plus it is this is 9 by 89 minus 3 by it is 2. So we can write this is equal to here, if you simplify or let it write, okay, you can take down, then we'll have the g composition here first. We continue after that. Continue. Let us continue this. Here we have to simplify this. The simplification is, we are considering g composition f of x is equal to, here this is a perfect square. You can see it is nothing but 2x plus 3 whole square minus 3 by 2. Because of the root square root will be removed, we get 2x plus 3 minus 3 by 2. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, and here it is 2 cancel with 2, we get it is, that is equal to it is x here. That is equal to it is x, which is nothing but it is I of it is I function. G composition f of x is equal to I. Now f composition g we have to see of x. G of it is f of x, that is g of f of x is given by the defined by it is 2 here. Totally x, we have to apply f for that. So f is given, just see the given problem, 4x square, this is x square, 4x square plus 15 is this, see here, 12x plus 15. Now we have to simplify this. So simplification is, this is 4, if you square the denominator 4, 4 cancel with 4. Expanding a minus b whole square formula, that is given by x minus 6 minus it is 6 root x minus 6 here to ab. It is 6 again, plus it is 6 into under root x minus 6 plus it is x minus 6 minus it is 18 plus it is 15. These two terms get cancelled. Now it is, you can see it is 16 totally, this will be x. That is nothing but it is I. Therefore we can write, here it is f composition g is equal to g composition f is equal to I. Therefore f is invertible. And inverse of f is given by it is g, that is. Next problem, consider f is a function from the positive real number r plus to the interval minus 5 to infinity given by fx is equal to it is 9x square plus it is 6x minus 5. And f is invertible. Find f inverse. Show that f is invertible. Find f inverse. This is also similar type of problem is there. Let us solve this. Let fx is equal to it is y. Fx is given by 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to y. Now as we will try to make it perfect square, take 9 outside. It is 6 by 9, that is 2 by 3. X minus 5 by 9 is equal to y. Now again 9 is taken to that side. Here for this quantity we try to make it perfect square. For this, divide the coefficient of first degree term by 2 and write down the square of that. If you divide it by 2 you get 1 by 3 and square of 1 by 3 is 1 by 9. So we write 2 by 3x. We write 1 by 9 on the third place and subtract on the last place. Y by it is 9. That is the procedure. By writing, so what happens is the three quantities, they will be always giving a perfect square. Expand and see whether true or not. Minus it is 6 by 9 is equal to y by 9. Take to that side. X plus 1 by 3 square is equal to it is y plus 9 plus 6 by it is 9. Taking square root, we get x plus 1 by 3 is equal to under root y plus 6 by it is 9. It is there. Therefore, we can write it is x is equal to it is under root y plus 6 minus it is after taking the root, this will be 3 here. 3 here and this one will it is by 3 minus 1 by it is 3. Now we get the value of x. After that, we define what is g here. So g is defined by g. This was from r plus to this interval. G will be from this interval to r plus by this one. That is g of x is equal to it is root of x plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Now, let us try for g composition f of x, that is g of f of x. G of f of x is given by it is, this is 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Now we have to apply g on that. For this it is, in place of x we have to write down this. Under root it is x means 9x square plus 6x minus 5 plus 6 minus 1 by it is 3. Or we can write it is 9x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 1 by 3. We can write further as it is nothing but this is a perfect square. We can write this as 3x minus plus 1 whole square minus 1 by 3. Because of the root, square root will be removed. 3x plus 1 minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 3 cancel with 3. Therefore, G composition f of x is equal to it is x, which is nothing but the identity mapping I. That is this here. I we can write, and if you want to write it is interval, if you write only I, that is very sufficient. Now next we have to see f composition G. Now next we have to find out f composition G. Look here. Also, f composition g of x, f of g of x, that is equal to f of g of x is given by that is root of x plus 6 minus 1 by 3. That is, this is our x now. We have to apply f for that. Take this here. That is here. We have to apply f for that. 9x square. 9. Our x is x plus 6 minus 1 by 3 square. 9x square. Plus it is 6x. Minus it is 5. Now, here if you square this will be 9, cancel with this line. A minus b whole square part. That is a square means root square plus b square minus 2ab. Now this cancel with this 2. It is twice of x plus 6. It is minus 2 minus 5. These two get cancelled. Here also 6 plus 1 5 cancel with 5, 2 cancel with 2. So remaining is x only, that is nothing but I. Therefore we write here, therefore here it is fg composition f is equal to f composition g is equal to I. Therefore f is invertible and inverse of f is equal to the g, that is the required answer. कल डाले तो पहले देख ला चल let f x to y be an invertible function. Invertible function. Show that f has unique inverse. Now, unique inverse means that f cannot have two inverses, three inverses like that. F has only one inverse. So we go by alternate method. We suppose, if possible, let f has two inverses. G1 and G2. Then we have, therefore, f composition Gn is equal to I, or f composition G1 is equal to G1 composition f is equal to I by this method. And here it is also we have G2 is also inverse, f composition G2 or G2 composition f is also I. Now consider f composition. Now by these two equations we can write f composition G1 of x is equal to f composition G2 of x, because both are equal to identity mapping. Therefore we can write f of G1 of x is equal to f of G2 of x. Now since f is 1 1, therefore when images are same, element also we must be same. G1 is equal to G2x, that means here G1 is equal to G2. That means even though if you suppose more than 1, then they will be equal, means it has only one function. Therefore f has only one function. Only one. That comes. Here the remaining part of this chapter is the binary operation, which we will discuss in next video.